We all use smartphone in our day-to-day life. But did you know there is a secret world inside your smartphone? A whole host of hidden features that you may not know or you may have overlooked. These features can be more fun, more convenient and more faster. So without wasting any much time, let's get started. You might have faced the issue like you are playing games on your smartphone and you want to increase the performance of your phone. So you open the recent tabs and cleared all the recent tabs and accidentally you cleared the game you are playing. So here's what you can do. You can just open your recent tab and swipe down to lock the app, and you will see that all the app will be cleared except the one you are playing. Now if you think your smartphone performance is very slow as compared to Internet Explorer, then you are completely wrong. You can make your smartphone work faster again. Just open developer option and scroll down and you will see there are 3 animation scale. Decrease all of them. Now you will notice that your phone performance has increased. While downloading anything from internet, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data usually cancels the downloads. So to prevent this, here's what you can do. Open settings, developer option and enable mobile data always on. Clipboard is very easy to enable and doesn't require you to poke your nose in the settings. All you need to do is just click on the 3 dots. Now click on the clipboard. Here you can create short note and instantly share without typing it again. If you are trying to become a power user, you can start by using a multi-window shortcut. Let me show you how. Open a browser and any app in multi-window. Make a selection of a text and drag the text to the app and paste it more quickly. It will eliminate your extra time of copying the text. If you are annoyed of deleting bunch of apps one by one, then you can try this method. Open Play Store app, go to My Apps and Games and click on Storage. Here you can select multiple apps and delete all of them in a single click. Screen pinning is a feature that we haven't heard about. By using screen pinning, you can lock any app on your screen and no other app will open. Open Settings and go to Security and Privacy and search for screen pinning and enable it. Now click on the recent app and pin any app. After that, all the buttons will be disabled except the back button. Now to unpin the app, press and hold the back button. If you are typing something and forgot to capitalize a specific sentence, don't delete it. Just make a selection of the particular phrase and press the capital button or shift button on your keyboard. Now if you think someone has put his or her fingerprint on your smartphone but don't know the passcode, so here's what you can do. Open Settings and go to Security and Privacy. Search for Lockdown Mode and enable it. Now hold the power key and turn on the lockdown mode. Now your phone will only be unlocked with your passcode. If you are one of those who like notch on smartphones but don't have one, don't worry, after using this feature, you are gonna hate the notch. Again, go to developer option. Search for simulate a display with a cutout. There you can add a narrow cutout, tall cutout, and also a wide cutout on your screen. That's it guys, this was our video on Android tricks and tips. Subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.